up, and my hair, as you can see, is just a little bit crazy. This is like, I washed my hair, I think, not yesterday, if not the day before. That's the situation of my hair. And I'm just going to show you a very easy way to make your hair look good without needing to do too much. What I will do is to take 2 pieces in front. I think are going to be this one and that one. These are good. Then I'm going to take the rest of the hair. So here you can see. And then I'm going to leave that one and that one. In total I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and now with the idea, well, of course you can do a ponytail, but what I'm going to try to do, I'm just going to take literally like some tweezers to make this on the middle. Okay, I think now it's quite a bit in the middle. And what I'm going to do is put this hair down, and now I'm going to brush it with this brush. Brush it softly without, of course, breaking the hair. And I'm just going to brush it a little bit so you see the difference in between that side and this side. That also you can keep kind of the waves and the curls if you like that style. With curly hair sometimes it's like it's hard to find different styles of hair, at least for me. When I wear straight hair it's much easier for me to do, I'm going to do a braid, I'm going to do a bun. But with curly hair sometimes it's harder for me to get inspired. But that's a look that always looks good, that I like. Alright. I'm going to take another brush. Okay. This kind of brush also, and this is how it's called, floppy. That one actually it helps a lot to make it look more slick. And I'm going just to do it in the top part because I don't want to destroy my curls in the bottom part. Vale. Okay, now of course it looks super puffy, we know that. What I'm going to put now is to put a little bit of water. This is just like, actually use it for my face, it's just thermal water, but because I don't have a sink here and I'm a little bit on a rush, I will just use this water and then I'll try to brush it a little bit more. this side is still not very wet. I'm going to put a little bit more of water and brush it as you see. Okay, I think that will be enough for me. And on the bottom, as you see, what I'm going to do is just a low ponytail. I'm going to do a low ponytail just to make sure that this keeps down, and you could leave it like that, but what I'm going to do is to take another ponytail and put it up like that, and that's going to be like the final look. But for that I will need another ponytail. I'm going to make it wet a little bit. And this too. Literally is the first time that I use this as water for my hair, but as I have the sink in the restroom, that's just more practical for now. Alright, I'm brushing this, brushing that. Alright. And now I'm going to take this and that and that and I'm going to do this technique that is kind of to pronounce your curl. Up, 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 not bad. And then I'm going just to push into it a little bit like that. Perfect. And I'm going to do just like this to this too. Great. Now for the hair, I have different kind of gels right here. I have this one, I have that one, actually this one and that one, and I think I'm going to go to use this one. And I will just take a little bit and put in my hands, and I'm just going to put a little bit here, and now it's when it comes this part, I will a little bit here and a little bit in this side, and also what I'm going to do is to take a brush like this one that actually is for the eyebrows. I'm just going to kind of shape it a little bit. As you see, I'm not like an expert, so if you're not an expert, don't worry. You can try to do it too. I'm just going to use the hair to the next. I'm going to take two belly pins and I'm going to put one here at the end and one here at the end. Brush it. And you could leave it with a ponytail like that, but I'm going to take another ponytail and just do like this. I will do one twist like that. I could do two, but I'm going to do one and leave my hair up. I will do something like that. Up. And I'm going to put this a little bit wet too, so then the curl can take its shape again. And basically and I will show you how it looks during the day. Now I'm going to put my earrings, my necklace, and then I will be ready to go. I think when it dries out a little bit, it looks more natural. Right now it looks a little bit like a cow has just licked my face, but well, my hair actually, but that's okay. Just going to make sure this is good. That's my final look.